Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to demonstrate that you can make your pins searchable on Pinterest. So open your profile page, then at the top right corner tap at these three horizontal dots, go for settings, then enter the privacy and data, and make sure to switch off or disable the search privacy toggle. And that will be pretty much it. Well, you can also see whether the pins that you have added at the Pinterest are added to the publicly available board, and it's not secreted or privated. And well, that would be definitely it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.